Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. According to the Institute of Cardiology, cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in the world. Did you know that more than 1,000 people die every day due to heart complications? And did you know that a large proportion of these deaths could be avoided or delayed if there was better preventive care? If this topic worries you, don't miss this video as we give you some tips and advice on how to keep your heart health in check. Some of the most common factors that can lead to heart disease include hypertension, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, lack of exercise, smoking, and the most common of all, family history. Therefore, a healthy lifestyle is a preventive measure to avoid problems with this important organ. The first tip is to get a checkup at least once a year to determine your cholesterol, triglyceride, blood sugar, and blood pressure levels. Also, check your blood pressure regularly, because high blood pressure is an asymptomatic disease that's difficult to treat. This way, you'll be safer and have a lower risk of having a heart attack, stroke, or cerebrovascular incident, CVA. The second tip is to make sure you're at an appropriate weight. According to experts, being overweight or obese affects the structure and size of the heart and impairs its function. The third tip is to eat a balanced diet. Wrong eating habits directly harm heart health and are one of the risk factors for cardiovascular disease. The wrong diet or eating too much can lead to obesity, high cholesterol, high triglycerides, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Therefore, avoid excessive consumption of sugar, salt, processed meats, trans fats, fast foods, fried foods, sugary drinks, pizza, margarine, and instant and frozen foods. The fourth tip is to engage in daily physical activity. The human body is genetically programmed to be in motion, and therefore it functions better when we move. Start small with a simple walk and increase the intensity over time. The fifth tip is to quit smoking. It can increase your heart rate and blood pressure by 30%. Did you know that? The sixth tip is to avoid excessive alcohol consumption. According to studies, excessive alcohol consumption has a detrimental effect on heart function. Symptoms may not appear immediately, but in the long run, the risk of developing heart problems increases. The seventh and final tip is to combat stress and get a good night's sleep. Episodes of stress increase blood pressure and heart rate. If you want to learn more about how to fight stress and sleep better, click on the link that is appearing as a suggestion here in this video. We hope you take these tips to heart. Stay well. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.